What if I told you that clove can kill stubborn fungi, fight harmful bacteria, numb pain, protect your liver, and even disrupt cancer-causing damage? Yet most people have no idea how powerful it really is. Here's the disturbing part. Some fungal infections survive prescription drugs, but laboratory studies show that clove compounds can break down their protective walls. So why isn't everyone talking about this? Because clove doesn't look dangerous. It doesn't smell like medicine, and its strongest effects stay hidden until you use it the right way. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why clove is one of the most underestimated natural remedies on earth, and how to use it safely and effectively. What is clove, and why is it so powerful? Clove comes from the dried flower bud of the Syzygium aromaticum tree. It has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine across Africa, Asia, and Middle East. What makes clove special is a powerful compound called eugenol. Science shows that eugenol has strong antifungal, potent antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, natural pain-relieving effects. In fact, cloves contain one of the most highest antioxidant levels of any spice ever tasted. Now let's start our clove health benefit list by clove as a natural antifungal at number 1. This is the shocking part. Fungal infections are hard to treat because fungi protect themselves with strong cell walls. Studies show that clove oil damages these fungal cell membranes, causing them to leak and collapse. Cloves has been shown to act against candida albicans, linked to yeast infections and gut overgrowth, skin fungi, nail fungi, oral fungi, and like many antifungal drugs, clove doesn't just slow fungal growth, it disrupts the fungus itself. That's why clove has been traditionally used for athlete foot, ringworm, oral thrust, fungal scalp issues. Number 2. Clove as a natural painkiller. Dentists know this. Before modern anesthesia, dentists used clove oil to numb pain. Why does it work? Eugenol blocks pain signals in nerves, similar to how some pain medications work, but naturally. Clove can help relieve toothaches, gum inflammation, sore throat pain, joint discomfort, headaches when used properly. This is not folklore. Modern dentistry still use clove-based compounds today. Number 3. Clove kills harmful bacteria without destroying everything. Clove doesn't just kill fungi, it also targets harmful bacteria. Research shows clove can inhibit E. coli, Staphylococcus aureus, Salmonella. Clove works by breaking bacterial cell walls, interfering with bacterial enzymes, preventing bacteria from multiplying. This makes clove useful for oral health, digestive balance, food preservation, skin protection. Number 4. Clove protects your cell from aging and damage. Clove is packed with antioxidants that neutralize free radicals, reduce oxidative stress, protect DNA from damage. Oxidative stress is linked to aging, inflammation, heart disease, neurodegenerative conditions. Gram for gram, clove ranks higher in antioxidants than blueberries, green tea, and turmeric. Number 5. Clove supports digestion and gut health. Clove stimulates digestive enzymes and improves gut movement. It may help with bloating, gas, slow digestion, nausea. Clove also helps control harmful microbes in the gut while supporting balance. How to use clove safely? This is very important. Clove is powerful. More is not better. So safe way to use clove is through clove tea. That is 1 to 2 cloves simmered in water. Clove powder in food. Diluted clove oil. Never use undiluted oil on skin. Chewing 1 clove occasionally for oral health. Important warnings. Never swallow clove oil. Never apply clove oil directly to skin. Avoid excessive use. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals should consult a professional. Clove is not just spice. It is a biological weapon against fungi, bacteria, pain, and oxidative damage hidden in plain sight. But like any other powerful tool, it must be used correctly. Now that you know its secrets, clove may never look the same again. If you found this surprising, stay tuned because nature hides many more powerful medicines right in our kitchen.